Greeting viewers, FireShark Technologies welcome all its viewers in today's lecture. In this video, we will learn about small office, home office and data centers. So these are the objectives that we will learn today. Small office, home office, its short form is SOHO, and data centers. So small office, home office. What is small office, home office? It is sometimes called as SOHO. It refers to that category of business or cottage industry that involves from 1 to 10 workers only. It refers to small business that is often run out of small office space, homes, or even virtually. These businesses are commonly considered micro enterprises. Their owners are commonly self-employed who doesn't need large office space to conduct their day-to-day operations. Most use small office space or run their own business from home. As such, SOHOs generally employs fewer than 10 people. A small example of SOHO or a small office home office is, here's a hypothetical example to show how SOHO works. Let's say Joe is a construction worker who wants to start his own small business rather than rent out a retail location, which can be fairly expensive. He decides to run his small construction business out of his home. Once Joe set up his small office corporation with the state, he may designate a certain area of his home as office space. He can run his day-to-day operations from his area, including taking calls and setting up appointments. In order to save on costs, Joe may have to do everything on his own, but as his business build up, he may be able to hire an assistant to help him run the home office as an apprentice who accompanies him to the job. Now we will know about data centers. Data center for data center for mission critical applications and cloud services require high-end fault tolerant hardware and software for servers. In this era, data exists and is connected across multiple data centers, the edge, and public and private clouds. The data center must be able to communicate across these multiple sites, both on premises and in cloud. Even the public cloud is a collection of data center. When applications are hosted in the cloud, they are using data center resources from the cloud provider. As simple as that, a data center is a physical facility that organization use to house their critical applications and data. Components of data center. So, data center design includes routers, switches, firewall, storage system, servers, and application delivery controllers. Because these components store and manage business critical data and application, data center security is critical in data center design. Together, they provide, first of all, network first of all, computing resources. Applications are the engines of data center. These servers provide the processing, memory, local storage, and network connectivity that drive applications. Second, storage infrastructure. Data is the fuel of the modern data center, storage systems that are used to hold its valuable commodity. Third, infrastructure. This connects servers physically and virtually, data center services, storage, and external connectivity to end user locations. So what are the standards of data center infrastructure? The most widely adopted standard for data center design and data center infrastructure is ANSI TIA 9942. It includes standards for certification, which ensures compliances with one of the four categories of data center tiers rated to level of redundancy and fault tolerance. So here all four tiers are mentioned. You can view them one by one. So these are another two. Now we will know about types of data center. Here we have mentioned four types of data center. First, enterprise data center. These are built, owned, and operated by companies and are optimized for their end users. Most often, they are hosted on the corporate campus. Second, managed service data centers. These data centers are managed by third party on behalf of the company. The company leaves the equipment and infrastructure instead of buying it. Third, co-location data centers. In co-location data centers, a company rents space within the data center owned by the others and located off company premises. The co-location data center hosts the infrastructure, building, cooling, bandwidth, security, etc., while the company provides and manages the components including servers, storage, and firewalls. Last and foremost, fourth one, cloud data centers. In this off-premises form of data centers, data and application are hosted by cloud service providers such as Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure, or IBM Cloud, or any other public cloud provider. So that's it from today's video. We will continue our next topic from next video. Thanks for watching.